Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a comparison between Substack and Buy Me a Coffee. So let's get started with monetization and audience. A quick comparison. So let's get to it. When it comes to monetization and audience, Substack is best for newsletters and long form content. So writers earn via paid subscriptions, with Substack taking a 10% cut. While Buy Me a Coffee is ideal for creators seeking tips and one-time support. Fans can donate per post, milestone, or membership, which is costs about 5% fee, which has a 5% fee attached to it. When we look at the features, Substack has built-in newsletters. It has built-in newsletter tools. It has podcasting. It has paywalls, which is strong for building a loyal reader base. While Buy Me a Coffee is simpler with one-time tips, memberships, and pay per post. It's better for casual creators and artists. Now, when we look at their growth and reach, Substack is better for scaling an independent media brand. It's SEO friendly and discoverable. While Buy Me a Coffee is more personal, it is great for smaller audiences and fan interactions. So, who or what are they best for? Well, choose Substack if you write regularly and want a subscription model, while you can choose Buy Me a Coffee if you prefer flexibility and direct fan support. What's the verdict? Well, both work great in 2025 as of now, and so you just pick based on your content style. Hope you found this video helpful.